Hello, my sewing friends. Welcome to TriBecca Designs. My name is Rebecca and I love to sew. Happy Friday. It's another beautiful Friday and I am super excited to be here today with another edition of Friday Sews. This edition of Friday Sews is very special because, drum roll please, it is my very first collaboration.
Yay!
Within the sewing community on YouTube with a couple of my wonderful, sweet sewing friends, which are Jen over at Today in Jen's Sewing Room and Chalisa at Sochi Designs. We are presenting a collaboration. We kind of just are doing like an upcycle. The theme is like an upcycle on something that has metallic or metallic-ish inspired elements in the design. That could be anything metallic. So I am super excited and I can't wait to see what my sisters have done. I haven't seen them yet. But please be sure and check out their channels, check out their videos to see what they came up with for their upcycled metallic inspired collaboration. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in and show you guys what I came up with. I used 3 different elements that were all thrifted, and without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you what I came up with. Oh boy, this is going to be good. My new kicks that I purchased from Amazon to go with this metallic upcycled outfit. Oh, aren't they cute? Check the link in the description. Wow, I really like these. That's the brand. They even came with an extra set of insoles. Ooh, look at that. Nice and cushiony. And with an extra set of... I'm doing a terrible job here. Trying to hold the camera and film. Extra set of, see, shoelaces in there. So yeah, I'm going to put these on with my outfit. A quilted table runner. Let's see what else I can pull out of my metallic thrifted materials stash. You knew I would do it. A set of quilted pillowcases. Not one, but 2. And last, but certainly not least, the ball. The Bella of the ball has arrived. Oh, isn't she divine? A brand new brocade extravagant gown. Brand new, still with tags on it. Thrifted, of course, my love. There's so much fabric here, so much potential. Oh! But seriously, y'all, look at this. Y'all know brocade is going for well over $20 a yard, and I picked this up for 50% off, less than $10. Oh, we gotta do something special. So all I am going to do is treat these as fabric. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix these lovely textiles. Yummy, honey, yummy. Let's see what your girl come up with. Precious metals. Oh, I just love metallics. Okay, friends, I want to share some of the wonderful highlights that I'm experiencing with this upcycle. So, again, this was a quilted pillowcase. And one of the things that I did is I went in and I closed the opening for the actual pillow before I made any cuts. So that is what this is here. Then I went through and I serged along the unfinished edges anytime I made a cut so that my batting and my fabric would not start to fray. Okay. And now the one that I'm really excited to share with you all is the fact that I get to use this wonderfully constructed mitered corner for my edges. I'm going to keep this for the bottom side of my jacket, this mitered corner here. And then I cut out pockets using that same mitered corner on the opposite end of the pillow sham that I'm going to use for a pocket. So I get to keep all of this wonderful detail. It looks like I did that work and I didn't. I could do it, of course, but they've done it for me. And I'm delighted that I did not cut that out. I'm going to utilize that wonderful work along with this beautiful quilting stitches, all this lovely detailing that's here. So I'm just going to come along here and I'm going to run a double line of top stitches to secure this pocket on. Now let's take a look-see. Okay, first off, I had to pull the pocket out a little bit in the corner right here to keep my line straight. So that's no biggie. I'll just serge that off once I get my seams put together. But oh, I think it looks really nice. And so yeah, the other highlight about using these quilted pillowcases is, baby, you already have your lining built in. You don't have to go and buy separate fabric for lining. So I've been preaching about using quilted pillowcases in your garment construction and in your upcycling projects, and hopefully you're understanding more and more why I think this is such a great alternative. Well, friends, now that it's time for me to actually cut into this beautiful brocade gown, I'm feeling a little sad, like I'm doing it a disservice. This is such a beautiful garment, but it does not look good on me at all. So I bought this specifically for the fabric. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and come in here where these side seams are and take this whole front panel out to use as some trim on my jacket.
Yeah.
Hey there, my sewing friends. I hope you've been inspired to use some elements from the bedding department in your garment construction and your upcycling projects. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this metallic this metallic fiber that you see here was a table runner. The trim that I used, ooh, the light, there we go. Okay, if you can see again, this brocade, this is the brocade that had metallic in it. It was the formal gown, and I used it to trim. And then the bottom portion of the jacket was a set of quilted pillow shams for the bed. I assume at some point it had the comforter or blanket to go with it, but when I purchased it from a thrift shop, it was just a set of pillowcases. That pocket came out really nice. I just used again the mitered corner that they had already sewed. I didn't have to sew this. I just cut it out in a way that I could use it. The lining was already in place. I did the flat lining method. Same for in the bodice. I just did a simple tie in front, but here is the beautiful lining that came inside of this table runner. And what else did I want to say about this? So I just wanted to keep it simple and yet elegant. Simple yet elegant. The fabric itself is elegant enough. I did not need to have a really, crazy cut or crazy design. So I kept the shape really simple. I did not use a pattern, to be honest. I just worked with the shape that I had. If you could envision a rectangle shape starting like from here going all the way down, all I did was cut some arms into it to utilize the rest of this length here, and then I just used the pillow shams as they were. I just attached them on. So it is a boxy fit, which I like. It is a little big on me, which I also like. So that was like my issue with the garment. At first I thought it was a little too big, but now I think I really like it that way. Plus I'm trying to kind of do a collection of kimono inspired jackets that are kind of like a one size fit all, and because it wraps, this will fit many sizes. So I absolutely love it, you guys. Please let me know what you think. If you like the sewing content that I produce, please comment, like, subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of great upcycling inspired and sewing inspired videos on my channel. Go check them out. Tell all of your sewing friends they can come here and get some, I think, pretty cool sewing inspiration. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up below. I like to try and respond to all of my comments. Thank you to all of my returning subscribers for coming back week after week. And if you're viewing one of my videos for the first time, would you consider joining? I'd love to have you here in the family of TriBecca Designs. Hey guys, I really do have an event that I'm going to today, and I'll be wearing this outfit. So, oh, and check the link in the description for the sneakers. Those are really cool. I got those on Amazon. Oh, and the sweater dress. I forgot to say, hey, this simple sweater dress goes perfect with this. Of course, you could style this in many ways. I'm trying to quit blabbing. I know I talk a lot, but link in the description box for the sweater dress as well. Have fun sewing, you guys. Peace and blessings.